Oh, this one's going to be a bit of a strange one. It's not exactly a tutorial, but I'll have the screencast keys on, so hopefully if you want you could follow along. But this is actually client work. I need to get it done as quick as possible really, so I shan't be hanging around, shall we say. Other than that though, feel free, follow along if you wish. Any questions, just post them below. So first up, of course, let's get some blueprints in. I don't really need to see camera at the moment. And we don't need to see images in the render. Not that there's going to be any render. Well, but shift here. Add image. Image as plain. Now, where on earth did I just put them? Great start. Can I search for many that way? 74 many. Oh, open. Yeah, that one. This one doesn't have a roof, so this one's going to be a bit strange. Come on, zoom in. Thank you. Right, so 3. Screen keys are on. So, right, so Control Alt, the usual. Create the bases for our blueprint setup. Oh, we actually have a dashboard here as well. Not that you can see much, but it could be quite handy. It's not quite Mr. Bean's car, is it? Just a little bit older, this one. Should I say newer? I think Mr. Bean's car was a 1969 or something. And 75, as we can see. Which looks exactly like a 71 for some strange reason. Did a search for some images of a 75, put them all to the PureF, then realised it was a 71, but they look exactly the same. Oh, what is this? Oh. GG. Right, I think that's just slightly too high there. We-do. Oops, what was that one? Okay. And of course, move with GG so it doesn't destroy the image. And do a quick example. Oh no, what are you doing? GG, slightly along the image. We'll go right, so 3. Have you didn't put one there. Right, again. Them. Separate them. Tab. Oh, these separate by the spot this time instead. This guy, don't need it. All of these we do a right click and go to highlight them all, right click and go to what is going on. Then up when there's set order, there we go. Order 2 join. Right, so move this back 0. Name it the side out. Rename SPP front. 0 1 to rename BP rear. Right, so that's from 3. Ooh. Something about I prefer creating from on the front at the left. So we'll do a scale y minus 1. Go. This is rear, so rotate Z 90 degrees. front one, like you rotate, set, minus 90 degrees. Just offset them a little bit. Actually, need to check to see if they match up. Here, the highest point looks okay to me. Yep. On exactly. Try with the images 10 come up because I haven't got one. I haven't got one. Right. Scaling cube is at 2 meters already. Oh, and I didn't get the scale. Dang it. Here's the image. And that doesn't give any scale also. Oh, what does it? 2 seconds. Zoom in. Of course you zoom in and the image stays the same size. So we'll leave that there a second. I shall cut this bit out, of course. Dimensions. Right, found it. So length, which will be the Y, is 165 millimeters. The X will be 1410 millimeters. Height is 1360 millimeters. Right, so I'll do it. Why is invert? Right, that's weird. Right, so scale cube is now our actual size. So we'll scale these up. The height, and then we can just move it back. I'm going to guess that's without the bumper on. That little handle on the boot. Or, ooh, that's where the engine is, isn't it? So, the engine in the back for a Mini? The engine's in the front, isn't it a Beetle? You bloody fool. Right, so, I'll go. All of these are now disabled, so we can't move them. And can you believe it? That has been 7 minutes, but since I did the search, I'll cut out that huge pointless search so you don't see it. Right, so here we go. First one done. Catch you in the next one.